Hello guys, this tutorial that I'm going to offer this time to you correspond to the first topic of the unit number 1 of our today's class that we have seen today, but also correspond to the unit number 1 of the book and all the guide we are going to have during this year. So the first topic is future with present progressive. It says, well, we use the present progressive tense as future, simply adding a time expression in future. For instance, I am studying English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Well, I'm studying is going to be my present progressive core. And my time expression in future is going to be at 10 a.m. tomorrow. When I say tomorrow, I make reference already to the next day. So these are the two elements that are going to be basic to have in this structure. Okay? So I have some other examples just right here with me. He is eating a sandwich in the recess tomorrow. Is eating is going to be my verb core in present progressive, and tomorrow is going to be my future time expression. Okay, I have the two elements already. In the second sentence, she is cooking pizza tonight. Is and cooking is going to be the core of the present progressive, and tonight is going to be my time expression in future. So the next, they are watching Netflix today at 7. Are watching is going to be my verb core, my verb structure, and today at 7 p.m. is going to be my time expression in future. In the last, we are playing video games online next Friday. Or playing is going to be my structure, my verbal structure, while next Friday is going to be my time expression in future. So as you notice, here in all these sentences, we are using at the same time the two elements. The verb, the structure in present progressive, with the two verbs, the verb be and the second action with the gerund ending, and the time expression. In that form, we're going to be able to have the present progressive used as future. Well, I hope that this tutorial is working for you in a nice time. So, well, I hope that it's also useful for the forthcoming homeworks that I'm going to leave. Okay? Be good, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.